Hello student, welcome to my channel Emerging School of Economics.
Coming with a new video with a new lecture, the new topic, the cost of production and total cost. Teaching you the cost of production or total cost. What is the cost of production?
We define here the total sum of money required for the production of a specific quantity is called cost of production. We have the various measures of cost. Cost of production may be divided into fixed cost and variable cost. Fixed costs are those that do not vary with the quantity of output produced. It is that cost which does not change with the change in output per period of time. Such cost has to be incurred even the product is zero. Rent, interest and salary of permanent staff is included in it. The next we have variable cost. Variable costs are those costs that do vary with the quantity of output produced. It varies with the volume of product directly. If the production increases, the variable cost also increases. Cost of raw materials and wages are example of variable cost. Dear student, we can see on slide the formula of every cost. Every cost is obtained by dividing the total cost by total number of commodity produced. So guys, we have some differences between fixed cost and variable cost. Costs that do not change in relation to production volume is called fixed cost. The cost that vary change in relation to production volume is called variable cost. Fixed costs are time related in nature as they remain constant for a period of time. But variable costs are volume related in nature as they change with the changes in production volume. When production increases or decreases, the total fixed costs stay the same. But total variable cost increases or decreases. Rent, advertising, depreciation, insurance, etc. are example of fixed costs. Direct material, sugar, egg, wood, cement, direct labor, raw materials, wages, electricity for production, corporation taxes, delivery cost are example of variable cost. Now we have a family of total cost. By adding total fixed costs and total variable cost, we get total cost. We can explain the relationship between the costs by the following table. In this table, we can see that at different level of output, fixed costs remain the same, but the variable cost keep on changing. So we get total cost by adding fixed cost and variable cost. In this diagram, we can see on the slide, total fixed cost of the firm is assumed to be fixed at various level of output, parallel to x-axis. Fixed costs are horizontal because as the quantity produced increases, costs do not rise. They must be paid even with zero output. Total fixed costs are shown by a straight line drawn parallel to free horizontal axis because fixed costs do not respond to changes in volume or activity. But on the other hand, variable cost rises with output. The inflection flat bit is because of diminishing taking over from increasing margin return. Total cost look like a variable cost because that is only bit that changes but start higher because we add in fixed cost. So guys, in the next lecture, I will explain you the family of every cost. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Keep watching my channel. Till then, bye bye.